Hi guys, welcome and welcome back. It is me, Commune Girl, Gina. And I want to show you guys what I'm actually doing today. This is a load of white towels. And this is going to be everything you need to know about getting your towels and your white towels clean. And you're not masking the odor. You are not covering it. You are removing it and leaving the freshest smell that you can have. Okay, so the first thing that I did was, and I didn't show you guys this, but anyway, I threw some of these Snuggle Super Care beads into there. And I made sure that they are more on the side of white, because with my white loads, I do not like to use blue tinted things like my softener or my Tide or whatever kind of washing powder has a tint to it. Okay guys, so anyway, what I like to also do when I'm washing my towels, all of them, not just the white ones, I like to use Tide powder. And the reason why is because it really gets in the fibers and it just breaks through all that soil and that dirt. And then if you're like my household where you use a towel more than once, like, so you use it one day or use it another day, you know, so that's wet, dry. And you don't want to go too far doing that, because then that moldy smell. But needless to say, I think these towels, you know, definitely they're looking a little dusty. Okay, so we want to get them clean. So what I like to do is add a couple of these bleach tablets into the drum of my wash machine, and they are called Amaze bleach tablets. Okay, so then after I go ahead and do that, of course we just toss everything in. And this is such an impromptu video, guys. It just, I hope you guys like it and stuff, okay? Or it helps even. So anyway, I get that back in there. Then I take one of these. They are called color catchers, and they are by Shout. Back there in that red box. I can't reach them with all this ring light or whatever it is. Okay, so I take just one of them. They're not extremely pricey or anything, and now I'm starting to see them like probably in a couple stores. Usually I just get mine from Amazon.com though, and I will put that link in there. That's not bad. I want you guys to make sure you get it. So I just toss it in there. Now, like I said, I have the powder. Get some friction going on with that. I have a light color fabric softener, because I don't want anything with no heavy tint to make it cling onto the fibers, and then it's like a bluish or green, you know. I just want them whitened. They're not going to be perfect, but they're going to be almost there. Okay, so then we got where I put a little bit of liquid bleach, and in here I put this. This also is what I really want you guys to make sure that you pick up. You can get it in grocery stores now. Again, something that I have ordered on Amazon.com, but I was more pleased with the price in the grocery store. So anyway, I pour, we'll say about 3/4 cup into this load, because this really gets your stuff smelling. I mean, it's like that, okay? And I have the other ones and everything, but no, they just don't compare to it. So I put that in the pre-wash part, okay? So pre-wash, then in the bleach section, and we got bleach, fabric softener in the fabric softener, and powder in the powder tray. Go ahead and give that a close. Then what I do is go ahead and I go over to bright whites, and I want to see, it'll just go to hot, not extra hot, but that's fine. And then I'm definitely going for a heavy soil, high spin, whatever. This is really important. You see how much different things I use? I think I use like 5 things, including the pellets and this and that, you know, that was in the drum. So you want to make sure that you're giving your stuff an extra rinse. Sometimes I do 2 extra rinses, but in this case I think that'll be fine. Okay, so that's the setting, and then of course we'll just hit play. Oh, door's not closed good. Okay, so then we will get her going, and we'll be back to see the outcome. We will take a look at it in between putting it from the washer and dryer, and then we'll look at the final outcome. All right, talk to you soon. Okay, so we'll just let them go and come back for the outcome and get them folded. All right, guys, so now I'm back. We're gonna look at the difference in the towels now. You guys remember how dingy they were and stuff? Now this towel right here it's like a rag, okay? I don't even know why it's in here, but nonetheless, extra fresh smelling, super clean. Not that smell when it's like moldy then fresh, moldy then like that. And so I'm trying to pick it up and not let it fall all over the floor. I'm gonna just show you guys the pile. Now this has a pink tint, but I didn't use there's certain stuff that I use at grandma's because it's not necessary. Hey, look at that, guys. How much more white they are. They're gonna be extra soft, so I just toss them in the dryer. And then when you do your towels, make sure you kind of give them a shake. So then I just drop them on the floor and that's it. Now, I don't see my whiteout cloth, but yeah, they're looking so much better. And then what I like to do, in this case, I'll just use a little Downy Infusion. I go heavy on these, so 1, 2, 3. A lot. I don't know. I like my towels real soft. So anyway, I just toss them in there. Now here's another big secret that I want to make sure you guys are aware to give it a try. I like to have my temperature on like low. It prevents a burnt smell in your laundry. Now it takes a little bit longer, but it's just what I do. So I'll give it a close, make sure that filter's been cleaned. I have it set for 1 hour and 15 minutes just because it's gonna be low heat. And let it go and we'll come back and see the outcome, get them folded. Guess what? Towels are all done. They're ready, set, go. And I wanted to show you guys, look how white they have come out. So much whiter. Now they're not perfectly white, but look at that compared to how they looked originally when before I had washed them. And then I wanted to show you guys, this is the color catcher. If I hold it by the towel, put it by the towel, you can see it's dingy. So it collected that dirt that was kind of like in these towels. We'll just continue to get them out the dryer. I hope you guys see how much of an improvement. Now this is that one that I said must be a rag. I don't see, I'm not sure, but anyway, this one probably won't keep this one in there. We'll just take it out as a rag, but that's the outcome to those towels that were just so dingy. So that's the method to the madness. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And do me a favor. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe. God bless.